Hi, I'm Stacy Heckert. I'm President and Managing Partner of Anton Collins Mitchell. We call ourselves ACM. ACM is a full-service accounting and consulting firm. We are Colorado owned, we're Colorado committed. We've got about 115 folks here servicing the Denver, Boulder, and Northern Colorado markets. We serve really all industries within Colorado, all the way from the startup type enterprises to large public companies. At ACM, we've noticed in our client base that the C-suite really should be aware of several trends that we've seen in the technology sector as it relates to accounting. So the two trends really that we're noticing is the virtualization of technology infrastructure, and then in addition to that, followed on to the virtualization really is plugins, add-ons, additional programs that complement the software that you currently have. So from a virtualization standpoint, the first one from an infrastructure, that really is taking your technology infrastructure off to a data center, a co-location, or even the cloud, however you want to call it. And what that really does is allow experts to really focus on the infrastructure technology and free up the C-suite. The CFOs normally spend quite a bit of time in HR, IT, in addition to accounting, and it frees up some of their time and skills really to do what they're best qualified to do. So in addition to the virtualization, the other trend that I mentioned was the additional plugins, add-ons of their accounting software. So what do I mean by that? So an add-on really is taking one part of your accounting process and virtualizing that, taking it into the cloud. You don't necessarily have to change your entire accounting system to get the benefit of enhanced technology. So you might be in a spot where you're able to change your whole entire accounting platform, but most people really don't change the platform, they just do an add-on. So an add-on is like an automated bill pay. You can take a manual process such as cutting checks, doing disbursements, things like that, take it out of a manual process, stop the amount of times your people actually touch a piece of paper, push a piece of paper around an office to get approval, to write a manual check, to mail a manual check. All of that now you can get as an add-on or an additional application to enhance your existing software to really make it a virtual process versus a manual process. The benefits of doing an add-on or a plug-and-play really is just reduced time processing, reduced cost processing, and having your accounting folks really do accounting versus transactional processing. Utilizing both the virtualization as well as additional add-ons and plug-and-plays in your accounting software really enhances the KPIs you can get, the quality of the data that you can get, the efficiency with which you can get the data behind any of these processes. So imagine a point where you could look into your payable processing system, and instead of going to a filing cabinet, just hitting click here, and you see virtually the last 5 invoices you paid to someone. So what this does for the C-suite is really, in a very time-efficient, cost-effective manner, give you increased visibility into data, into KPIs, and into managing your business. Some of the benefits of virtualization really is having increased processing speeds, having a data center be able to monitor your systems 24/7. A lot of times internal folks, they're not 24/7, but once you go to the cloud and you go to these data centers, you do get enhanced quality of monitoring of your systems, enhanced infrastructure, enhanced connectivity and speeds of connectivity, as well as just freeing up the time your C-suite spends monitoring some of that. What's on the horizon for ACM? We're just growing leaps and bounds. So we're very proud. We've hit the triple digits. We're at 115 folks now. We have really deep expertise into our niche industries. We're growing. We anticipate deepening those relationships and expertise and really being a thought leader within those industry groups and saying, how can some of this accounting changes, how can technology changes help the C-level suite really go through and evaluate what they're doing. The future in the technology it's really incredible. The speeds of processing, the ability to get data, the ability to have instantaneous C-suite information and dashboards and KPIs is just phenomenal. So if your accounting staff isn't providing you that type of dashboard information, then that's one thing you really should look at. Are our systems antiquated? Are there plug and play and are there add-ons out there where you can really have external reporting functions that give you the data that you need? All the data is laying behind the scenes within the software and within the technology. It's just, are you going in and really looking at that data and using it to enhance not only the performance of your business, but giving yourself the competitive edge?